RC Modeler's Canopy Glue is a multi-purpose gap-filling canopy glue and the perfect product for attaching clear plastics to any model, whether painted or plastic surfaces, such as this model airplane canopy. Here you see the canopy trimmed and ready for mounting. A bead of glue is carefully applied around the edge of the fuselage where the canopy is to be attached. After smoothing out, the canopy is mounted on the fuselage and held with removable tape to dry. The next day, the tape is removed, RC Modeler's canopy glue is dry and clear, and the canopy is fastened securely in place. It can also be used for simulating rivets or wing rib stitches, as on these scale models. A pinpoint syringe can be easily filled with the glue for easy application, as you see, to the front wing flap on this DE Havilland Tiger Moth XL716.